Hi, I'm Tony Vernetti, a trainer at Enphase Energy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the IQ EV Charger 2. Now, this particular model is a hardwired model, and it has the North America Charging Standard connector at the end. It's designed to typically be installed with a 60 amp breaker, and it can charge at up to 48 amps continuous. I'm going to be installing it at my home that has existing wiring and a 50 amp breaker. Now, that's okay, because of the fact that with this charger, when you commission it, you can set the maximum charge current. So that makes it very flexible. You can install this charger with most existing wiring and circuit breakers. Say there was an existing EV charger beforehand or an appliance and you're reusing the wiring. So in the box, you're going to have the charger body with a connected cable. You're also going to have a mounting bracket. You're going to have a charger connector holster that has a built-in cable hanger, an aesthetic cover, and installation hardware. Okay, now the first step is to make sure that power is turned off at the circuit breaker. Then find a flat vertical surface to install the charger. It could be drywall, wood, concrete, or even a vertical stud. Of course, it has to be able to support the charger. You also want to make sure that the 25-foot charging cable can reach the charging port of your EV. Once you have the charger positioned where you want it, draw a horizontal reference line at the bottom of the charger. If you're installing a plug-in model, you actually want to plug in the charger to that receptacle first and then position and mark the charger. That way, when it's fully installed, you'll know that it's going to easily plug into the receptacle. For the bracket, we recommend 3 attachment points. Use anchors appropriate for the wall material. The hardware kit comes with masonry anchors, but since I'm installing on drywall, I'm using 5/16 inch drywall anchors. These are rated for about 40 pounds, so 3 of these is going to be more than adequate. Lift the charger and align the bottom guide with the bracket slot. Slide the charger over the prongs on the bracket. Tighten the mounting screws to 62 inch-pounds of torque. Next, mount the connector holster near the charger for easy cable storage. Level it, mark the holes, pre-drill, and secure with screws. Snap on the aesthetic cover. Access the wiring compartment of the charger by removing the 4 corner screws of the cover. Route the wiring through one of the holes on the bottom or back of the charger. There are holes for both 3/4 inch and 1 inch conduit fittings. It's best to use the 1 inch hole for the main power conductors and the 3/4 inch hole for other wires, like Enphase control cable or Ethernet. For this installation, I'm only connecting power, so I'll use the 3/4 inch opening. Be sure to use sealed conduit fittings if installing outdoors. Connect line 1, line 2, ground. Firmly lift the lever to a horizontal position. Insert the wire and close the lever to secure the connection. Do a tug test to ensure wires are secure in the terminals. Now turn on the breaker and test with the multimeter to confirm it has power. Reinstall the wiring compartment cover with screws torqued to 16 inch-pounds. Proper torque is important to ensure a reliable watertight seal. The last step is to install the aesthetic cover. Take this bottom tab here and slide it into this slot, and then snap the cover into place. And secure it with the 2 small included screws and an Allen wrench. Now you're ready to commission the IQ EV Charger 2. You can do that with either the Enphase Homeowner App or with the Installer Toolkit app. That will allow you to unlock smart features like dynamic load balancing and green charging and set the proper charge current. Now the charger's ready to use. Thanks for watching.